Good morning. You ready to go home?
Not yet, right? Couple minutes.
Yeah, a couple minutes. You pack already your stuff?
No, almost.
Almost done. Look. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna miss you.
Let me see. I'll be back soon.
Yeah, hey, I'm big feeling.
Yeah, thanks for joining us, guys. We got some exciting stuff coming, so we hope you continue to join. Yeah, we definitely appreciate all that you say.
Kan lom lutok. Kan pa ho tur hi chang thop te ka lo le sa e le sila wa chemi me do na. Kan big sa kang. Mango lassi te ka lo le sa ka tu te ma. Hon tier le me na. Grapes ay tur le strawberry vel big sa ka. Bo te poi hon ro se. April la de chon thi don na lo chepal. Unsweet. Hungry si Maya. Mula ba? Almond milk, devil. So masih GC expired date pa nila. Kinakan pa ahole. Chhan hi chu chiang dong video kan lo sai don na o. Nei lo chevek palang ka ria chun. Frozen day. Hey, birthday cake khani hon ro ka te ma se tui man e ko hon khan Mizoram lo. Ni pui hon ro se. Hon tir se ngai a che zeu do no mo thil hi. Ama ta na ka lo le ve no man ni box ya ai le man si lo. Ai cho ka hon tir. Usama hi ina cho am thin se chong poi lo ngai box si lo a cho wangin pakhat tal hon ro se chiat ma in ke ka lo le dong box si lo. Hi baby. Hey alo in siam lo ka chan chu tu na ka han chuak nga api ten tlai cho ya hamin som sia kha kha e ngal chuan in ho thak le ting ta ai chuan in hlat ve 20 minutes vel nia kanom na tang han USA darkar me som ni klan hi chu tlem chan rai ve du topamo kong hi ngi lawang han azia me mia chu kapit na kan chho na kapit en trangzi ka ho tum wang khan arem changa keila kapit na Tuesday a ho nu chho ka tum thau sa ke po chho turin hei kham lai ka bek so kha in thiar chok le chan chu I ke ma ka pe lawa usang a hi ngai lawa ina mo I ma ni cho ka pe lo wang ke po ka chhawanga karlia na ka chan don chawa chuan Friday a Rebecca itina ka chuk lenga Rebecca ite ina cholni te ka manzwa usanga hi cholni chuan a ron lang ve don ni chu ta han ka impur ho ti rang ka tia chuan karle chu Sunday Monday vel chu ka relax anga Tuesday a chuan na ka chan to don wang khan mo. You ready to go?
Almost.
Everything packed? Here is your shade, baby. And a car key.
Okay, I gotta pee and everything. So here's things.
You need to pee? That's our loyalty. Oh, put there on my...
Keep it separate.
Why? You taking home again?
No. You can keep it, but we want to keep it out. That way when we go to the lawyer, it's in the car.
Okay.
We don't pack it in the back.
Oh, okay. Oh, the check, you mean?
Yeah, the checks and the lawyer thing.
Okay.
We want it in the car.
Why you look so handsome?
Oh. Actually, I don't need that yet. No.
Ah, box adale. Si rock te min box rock mang ring katya. Bong tevel le. Balla. That grapes you can eat in the car tomorrow. You can put the milk first if you want. I put for you kurkure. Look at that. That chips from Indian store. I think I put carrot inside.
Yeah,
that's spoil. Okay.
We'll bring it inside. We'll have to bring it inside anyway.
Buksan dasi also. Good job. Don't forget to eat, otherwise they'll get spoiled. Yes. Okay, this strawberry. Hey, bongsa khania ka hontir vedong kanu te ya bongsa li alu. It's a beef and potato.
Yeah.
But we have to put, when we go to auntie house, we have to put in the fridge again. Shall we frozen? Maybe you'll be better. No? Yeah. Good job. That's it. Anything else you want to bring home?
No.
You good? No chicken, right? No, chicken, no.
Hey, baby. So,
Baby hug.
go home too early. I think we're sleeping this
Yeah,
time.
yeah. Run out about sunset or it comes up.
So, when you gonna come later?
It'll be March, I think mid-March.
Oh.
A couple weeks.
Good morning, baby. You ready?
Almost.
You want to eat breakfast?
Yeah, let's eat.
Why are you smiling?
I love you.
I miss you.
I miss you.
Hey, turkan siyam sa ka. You can eat this one. There's some stuff you may want to try. Coconut shortbread cookies. And there's, you want banana? You want to try this? This one? Okay. It's on my face. The milk is better one. This looks good. Try. Coconut.
Love you.
Hey, let's go a hoto do na.
I love you.
Love you. Alagay ka kai pin. Kaya ko lang pay daw. Nakinala sa ho chhan ling. Well, tung chang hi zo zo na tam ma. Many people asking me why Lalzao is going home. So we'll tell them in life. Maybe I will tell them. Life mo yung timo karon sa doon niya. Right?
Sounds like a plan.
What? Don't forget your wife.
Never.
I love you. I miss you. Stop smiling. You're so excited to go.
No.
I love you. Right, Seb, go. Do you have to hit the car first? Okay, I'll go in, okay?